Natural, 8 pounds of muscle. TRT, 24 pounds. 6 months, same training, but TRT costs $2,000 more per year and kills your fertility. Worth it? Let's see the data. 6 months tracking everything. Same workouts, 4 times weekly, heavy lifting. Same sleep, 7 to 8 hours. Blood tests every 12 weeks. Natural, supplements only. Tongkat Ali, vitamin D, zinc, magnesium. TRT, 180 milligrams testosterone weekly, self-injected. That's it. Let's compare. TRT first. Testosterone went from 387 to 820 in 12 weeks. Free T quadrupled, 8 to 33. Muscle, 24 pounds in 6 months, 11 pounds in 3 months, 13 more by month 6. Body fat dropped 3%, 19 to 16. Felt it fast. Energy spiked week 6. Strength gains week 4. Libido week 3. But here's the problem. Your natural testosterone shuts down. Completely. Stop TRT cold? You crash hard. Worse than before you started. Estrogen surged. Water retention. Mood swings. Had to dial it in for weeks. Your balls shrink. Fertility drops 90%. Want kids later? Good luck. Natural now. Testosterone 387 to 580 to 50% gain over 6 months. Free T doubled, 8 to 18. Muscle, 8 pounds total. Body fat dropped 2%, 18 to 16. Took longer. Sleep improved week 2. Energy week 6. Body changes week 12. Supplements helped. Tongkat Ali added 100 points. Vitamin D another 89. Zinc and magnesium 76 more. But training mattered most. Not pills. Big win. Your body keeps working. LH and FSH stay normal. Fertility preserved. No needles. No dependency. Cost. TRT, $2,000 to $4,000 yearly. Testosterone runs $30 to $150 monthly. Blood work $200 to $400 every 3 months. Doctor visits $100 to $200 quarterly. Average, $250 monthly. Online clinics cheaper, $100 to $200 monthly, but you lose in-person oversight. Natural, $750 to $1,100 yearly. Supplements $60 monthly. Blood work twice yearly. Average, $75 monthly. TRT costs 3 times more, but builds 3 times more muscle. Per pound, TRT, $167. Natural, $113. Side effects. TRT problems are common. Blood thickens. 20 to 30% of users get polycythemia. Hematocrit spikes. Heart risk increases. You donate blood every few months to thin it out. Fertility tanks. Sperm drops 50 to 90% in 3 months. Need HCG to preserve it. Without HCG, recovery takes 6 to 18 months after stopping. If it recovers, estrogen spikes. Testosterone converts to estradiol. Water retention. Gyno risk. ED despite high testosterone. Some guys need AI. Aromatase inhibitors. Another drug. Another cost. Sleep apnea gets worse. 10 to 15% of users. Natural side effects? Almost none. Zinc upsets your stomach if taken empty. Tongkat Ali disrupts sleep if taken late. That's it. No fertility issues. No thick blood. No estrogen drama. Which should you pick? Testosterone below 300 with real symptoms, fatigue, 0 libido, losing muscle? TRT makes sense. Get 2 morning blood tests. Work with a doctor. Monitor it. Testosterone 350 to 500? Try natural for 6 months first. Most guys see real gains. If it doesn't work, TRT's still an option. Under 35 and want kids someday? Go natural first. TRT kills fertility. HCG helps but adds complexity. On a budget, natural wins. 1/4 the cost. Full natural protocol, training supplements sleep. Link below. Costs less than 1 month of TRT. This channel is new. Science-backed content, no BS. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe for more breakdowns. Costs you nothing, but means everything to us. Comment your testosterone level. Going natural or TRT? Thanks. Choose what fits your life. See you next time.